everyone, welcome back to my channel. As I have promised you, we have made a clone of this and we have installed the clone in this. So now I am going to show you how I am going to install this and how I am going to reassemble this whole laptop. And I haven't shown you how we are cloning that. If you want to see, already there is a video, so I am giving the description for that. So you can just go on to that link and you can see how we are going to clone from your HDD to SSD. Okay, so we are going to just put it back. It is very easy. So we are going to do the same thing. I don't think this is going to take the time. So simply we are going to put this and put this to here. Okay, so we have just put back the screws and simply you are going to place it here and push it very slowly and easily. Don't push it hard because it is delicate. Okay, so here it goes in. Now just make sure that things are fitted properly and things are there. Okay, once it is being done, we are going to put the screws back. Okay, so now I have just placed all things properly and this is the USB cable. So simply I am going to put it very slowly and this one also. You have to take care of this because very delicate parts are there. So once it is being placed, I am going to just tighten this screw. So here it is, and one more screw is there in this rotation. Screws are tiny, so it is really hard to put them in hole. So finally all things are intact. Now we have to put back the cover. Back cover. Okay, here it is. So again we are supposed to take care of all the things because it is very delicate. So simply putting back here. So first of all you should see that this portion should be put in because it is being extended. So put here first, the serial put first in this manner, and then on the second side put like this. Then push it slightly. Once it is being evenly, you think it is fit, then just reverse it back. And now I think on both the sides things are okay. So simply we are going to press the things okay, like this. I think you can hear the voice. So that is telling us that things are being placed properly. Okay, so things are being placed and everything is okay, and we will see on the back side also. Okay, things are okay. Now I am going to just put this battery. Okay, it is also done. And I have locked this, and now I am going to just start this. So just wish me good luck that all things are done correct. Okay, so it is starting to boot. Okay, so ultimately we have simply replaced HDD HDD from SSD, and you can see the speed has also improved. Okay, I'm going to show you here. Okay, here we go. So this is 240 GB hard disk, SSD hard disk. So here it is. So I hope you have liked this video, and if you are having any query, you can just put a comment onto my YouTube channel, and definitely I will be replying you back. So with this note, thank you, and please subscribe my channel if you like it. Thank you.